But one of the biggest problems I see with silo storage and bunker storage is that they don't do the proper inspection, maintenance of their storage vessels. In a lot of cases, when we go to clean out a silo, you can look up at the top of the silo and actually see light. That means they allow water, rain, everything to enter into their silo, which is only going to cause buildup.
Routine silo inspections let you know the condition of your vessel and the severity of any problems, so you can make an action plan instead of risking complete obstruction resulting in an unplanned outage.
Preventative maintenance always allows you to be in control of your production. When you don't have a good planned maintenance system for any of your equipment in your plant, you're going to have unexpected downtime and lost production.
Most generally, it's going to be cost-wise. It's going to be cheaper for them to do a preventative cleaning than to wait until they have an emergency on their hand, because it's going to cut down on their downtime. It's going to be more productive, less, clean. It's going to be cleaner compared to if they have an emergency. It involves a lot of mess.
Preventative silo maintenance puts you in control by allowing you to avoid emergency fees, schedule cleaning at your convenience, and reduce annual cleaning time and costs while keeping your operation up and running.
You're in control of that downtime instead of letting the downtime be in control of you.
Short term, like I said, it's going to keep their capacity up. They won't lose, and they'll be able to store more material. Preventative wise, it gives them less of a chance of having an emergency downtime where they will have a severe problem.
When they call us in there, especially on an emergency basis, they're not making production. They have lost the ability to move material at the rate they need from their storage vessels.
A couple of our bigger jobs, bigger customers that we go to, where multiple machines come in and we can clean them out in a day or two. They call us back once, twice a year to clean the same bunkers.
Unscheduled downtime is always more expensive than scheduled downtime. And preventive maintenance and the intervals that you set will always be at a less cost and disruption to your process than unplanned downtime.